Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude. In our video today, we are going to be making a special soup, what I call designer soup. It's actually egusi soup, but in this particular recipe, we are going to be toasting the melon seed first before using it. Why don't you watch and learn how to cook designer soup? Let's get started. We are making toasted egusi soup. Okay, it is very delicious. We are going to toast the melon seed, then we grind it. Here are the other ingredients. Here we are using goat meat. Okay, I also have smoked turkey, smoked fish chunks. I'm going to wash it clean with warm water. We have fresh pepper and crayfish. We're going to add some onions to the meat while cooking. Let's get started. So we are starting by cooking our meat. We are going to season the meat properly. All the meat are washed. Okay. So season it properly, then we start cooking. Salt and bouillon. This kind of turkey has salt, so much salt in it, so be careful. Onions taste good when you add. Then water. Let's level it. This is all we can do for now. Okay, and start. Cover the pot and start cooking. So we are toasting the egusi. As I said, you must try this recipe. It's not a regular egusi recipe that you see online all the time. People cook it, but it's not as regular as the egusi recipe that we all know. It's toasting nicely. We have to be stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. Okay. And at this point, I think it's ready. So let's blend it. Our fresh pepper, crayfish. The meat has been cooking for a while. Let's add some oil, red oil. Cover it up and cook it for 2 minutes. Why do you think we allow the oil to cook for a while before adding the main ingredients? I want you to comment. Leave your comments in the comment section. Okay, it's cooked. Let's add our egusi. This is toasted egusi soup. That is what we are making today, and I am so excited because it's been a long time since I tried this soup recipe. We got the recipe from our neighbors. You know, when you live with people, you can learn their own food too, okay? And it's a special recipe. Everything is here, the pepper, the crayfish. We are going to cover it up and let it simmer very well before we add the fish. This is our spinach. It's washed. Okay, I'm just going to slice through it, okay? Because it's gonna wilt. Checking our soup. Look at that. It's been cooking for a while. So we're gonna add our fish. It's washed. Then I have a herb. It's called oziza leaf, fresh one. We don't need any more seasoning because it's properly seasoned. We're gonna cover it up and allow the fish to cook for a while, then we add our vegetables. Collard green. We are coming to the end of this video. Please share this video, okay? Share this egusi recipe, okay? Let's allow it to simmer a little before we add our spinach, okay? Because collard green is a tough vegetable. Add our spinach. I'm gonna cover this pot, let the spinach cook for 3 minutes, and then we are done. Look at that. Our egusi soup, toasted egusi soup, is done cooking. Now it is time to dish it out. So look at that. Today we prepared a delicious toasted egusi soup, melon soup. I want you to share this video. It is a rare video that you don't usually see all the time, okay? Share it, and I will see you once again in my next video. Comment, ask your question, all right? We use our soup for foo-foo, okay? Look at our foo-foo here. And and now it's complete. Look at that. That's what we made today. That's what we made today. Want you to share it. Okay. I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye, and God bless you.